Burn represents continuous physical damage caused by extreme heat. A burned Pokémon loses approximately 1/16 of its maximum HP at the end of each turn in modern games. In addition to this residual damage, burn halves the Pokémon's physical attack stat, which severely weakens physical attackers and forces them to rely on alternative strategies. Burn can be inflicted by moves such as Will-O-Wisp or Flamethrower, by abilities like Flame Body when making contact. Fire-type Pokémon are immune to burn under normal conditions and cannot receive this status effect. Poison is a status condition focused on gradual HP loss. A normally poisoned Pokémon loses 1/8 of its maximum HP at the end of each turn. Toxic Poison, inflicted by moves like Toxic, starts weaker but increases in damage every turn as long as the Pokémon remains active in battle. Poison can be caused by moves such as Poison Jab, abilities like Poison Point, or held items such as the Toxic Orb. Poison-type Pokémon and Steel-type Pokémon are immune to poison and cannot be affected by it. Paralysis disrupts both movement and speed. A paralyzed Pokémon has its speed stat reduced and faces a 25% chance each turn of being unable to move at all. This randomness can completely shift momentum in a battle, especially when turn order is critical. Paralysis is commonly inflicted by moves like Thunder Wave, abilities such as static or certain electric-type attacks. Electric-type Pokémon are immune to paralysis caused by electric-type moves, and ground-type Pokémon are immune to electric-type moves entirely, but they can still be paralyzed by non-electric sources. Paralysis is not exclusive to electric-type moves. It can also be inflicted by attacks from other types, such as Body Slam from normal-type Pokémon or Stun Spore from grass-type Pokémon. Sleep prevents a Pokémon from acting entirely. A sleeping Pokémon cannot move while asleep, typically for 1 to 3 turns, depending on the generation. Sleep is often used to disable dangerous opponents or set up long-term strategies. Sleep can be inflicted through moves like Hypnosis, Spore, or Sing. Grass-type Pokémon are immune to powder-based sleep moves such as Spore and Sleep Powder. In Pokémon Legends, Arceus, Sleep was replaced by Drowsy. Instead of being completely inactive, a Drowsy Pokémon takes increased damage and has a chance for its moves to fail. This version represents exhaustion rather than unconsciousness. Freeze is one of the most restrictive status conditions. A frozen Pokémon is completely unable to act until it thaws. Thawing can occur randomly or immediately if hit by certain fire-type moves. Freeze is usually inflicted by ice-type moves like Ice Beam. Ice-type Pokémon are immune to being frozen. In Pokémon Legends, Freeze was replaced by Frostbite. Frostbite causes HP loss each turn and reduces special attack, functioning as a special attacker equivalent to Burn and allowing more consistent counterplay. At this point, it is important to understand how status conditions interact with each other. A Pokémon can only be affected by one major status condition at a time. If a Pokémon is poisoned, it cannot also be burned or paralyzed. These effects do not stack. However, temporary status conditions can exist alongside major ones. For example, a Pokémon cannot be poisoned and paralyzed simultaneously, but it can be poisoned and confused, or poisoned and infatuated. This interaction is intentional and forms the basis of layered battle strategies. Confusion is a temporary status condition that introduces an element of risk and unpredictability into battle. While confused, a Pokémon has a 33% chance each turn to hurt itself instead of executing its selected move. This self-inflicted damage is calculated as a typeless physical attack using the Pokémon's own attack stat and defensive values, meaning physically stronger Pokémon can unintentionally deal significant damage to themselves. Confusion typically lasts 1 to 4 turns, after which the Pokémon regains full control. Confusion Confusion can be inflicted by moves such as Confuse Ray, Supersonic, or as a secondary effect of attacks like Hurricane and Dynamic Punch. Infatuation prevents action through emotional attachment rather than physical impairment. If a Pokémon is infatuated, it has a 50% chance each turn to be unable to attack, representing hesitation caused by attraction to the opposing Pokémon. Infatuation occurs when Pokémon of compatible genders interact through moves like Attract or abilities such as Q-Charm. Unlike most other status effects, Infatuation does not expire naturally after a set number of turns. It remains active as long as both Pokémon stay on the field. Once either Pokémon switches out, the effect immediately ends. Because of this, Infatuation is often used as a soft form of control rather than a permanent disruption. Flinching is a short-term but powerful form of interruption. A flinched Pokémon is unable to move for a single turn, effectively losing its action entirely. Unlike Confusion or Infatuation, flinching does not persist beyond that turn. Its strength comes from timing and speed rather than duration. Moves such as Iron Head, Air Slash, Rock Slide, and Fake Out frequently cause flinching, especially when used by faster Pokémon. When combined with high speed or priority mechanics, flinching can prevent opponents from acting at all, creating pressure loops that limit counterplay. Trapping effects restrict movement rather than directly preventing actions. Moves like Fire Spin, Whirlpool, Sand Tomb, and Magma Storm prevent a Pokémon from switching out for several turns while dealing residual damage at the end of each turn. This damage typically scales similarly to poison but lasts for a shorter duration. Trapping effects are strategically important because they deny repositioning. Preventing switches allows players to control matchups, force unfavorable trades, or slowly wear down defensive Pokémon that would otherwise escape. Stat-lowering effects are also considered temporary conditions, even though they do not appear as status icons. These effects include reduced accuracy, lowered speed, weakened defenses, or decreased attacking stats. While temporary, they can significantly alter battle flow by changing damage calculations and turn order. Moves such as Growl, Screech, Icy Wind, or Charm can gradually weaken opponents, making them easier to control or eliminate. Although these effects are reversible through switching or stat resets, their impact during battle can be decisive when applied correctly. Status conditions shape battles far more than raw damage alone. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Pokémon content. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. More videos like this are coming very soon.